Lizzie Atkins here as always. Thank you all for staying with me on my beautiful journey. And to my new viewers who've just clicked on this video, look down over there, turn that red to grey, and then come back and enjoy this video. So today I'm gonna be doing all black makeup, black on black makeup, and this was inspired by Mary J. Black. It was one of the videos I reacted to. She's a Nigeria based YouTuber and she goes to best reviewed, and many other things that's got to do with makeup. So I was inspired by this video. It's a long time coming video, but yeah, let's not even talk about how long I meant to do it, and I'm done now. But yeah, let's just get on with this video. I cried over here. If you have not watched that video, go check it out. And yeah, let's get on with this video. Let's take the shades off. Woo, look at that. Ooh, I'm fine. Lizzie, you fine. Lizzie, you cute. You cute. Ah! literally I didn't realize my battery was dead, so I did my hair and completion off camera. But here is the final look. My black on black makeup inspired by my very own Mary J. Black, who went to the best reviewed makeup artist, and that's where I got the inspiration from. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment down below. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Most importantly, darling, like babes, like love, like hon, like sweetie, why is that button still red? Why? Turn it to gray. Hit it. No, you didn't hear me? Hit it. Yeah? Okay, cool. And then you hit that bell, and that's you hitting the notification bell, so you can always get a notification every time Sexy Moi uploads new content like this and many other videos. For now, I'm leaving y'all in peace and love. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. You can tell I'm feeling this look in it. I'm kidding this look. I'm kidding. Feeling kind of cool still. Oh, maybe I should do a little dance. Should I dance? Do y'all want to see me dance? Like, do you want to see me dance? Skin is like pearl. I get money.